नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञानरंजन स्वागत करछि आपनको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को। जदि आपण आम चैनल को एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करनांती तले थिबा घंटी आइकन को दबाई सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु ताफଳରେ ଆମ जो रिसेंट अपडेट आसीबो आपण माने पाई परिबे। आपण मानकर गोटे रिक्वेस्ट होछि ऑनलाइन क्लास करिया पई। देखंतु ऑनलाइन क्लास करियार मोर किछि आपत्ति नाही, किंतु गोटे जिंस होछि ऑनलाइन क्लास करिया पई 1000 सब्सक्राइबर दरकार। मो पाखरे 1000 सब्सक्राइबर नाही। जेबे 1000 सब्सक्राइब हबो मो निश्चय आपण माननको ऑनलाइन क्लास करेबी। आज मध्य आपण मानक पई कंटिन्यूअस भाव रे मु 10-15 टी क्लास नहीं आसती। आज मध्य नहीं आसी आ गोटे क्लास आज आपको इम्पोर्टाट मु 50 टी प्रश्न करी। आपण मैंने 50 नंबर केतोटी नंबर रखिले निश्चय कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखि पठाइबे। चलंतु आरंभ करबा आज एपिसोड। जदि आपण एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करनांती प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु तापर हमर जो रिसेंट अपडेट अछि आपण माने पाई परबे। चलंतु आरंभ करबा देरी न करी क्वेश्चन 50। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द फेमस लागून लेक of India is the famous lagoon lake of India is option A Dal Lake, 2 Chilika Lake, 3 Pulicat Lake, 4 Manasarovar Lake. So correct answer is Chilika Lake. Option 2 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Where is Raisina Hills located? Where is Raisina Hill? Where is Raisina Hill? Option 1, where Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated. 2, the hill feature of Srinagar, otherwise known as Shankaracharya Hill. 3, the place where Dogra rulers of Jammu Kashmir built their fort in Jammu. 4, the rock feature of at Kanyakumari where Swami Vivekananda statue was erected. So correct answer is where Rashtrapati Bhavan is located. Question number 2, correct answer is first option. Go to question number 3. Which of the following lies in Sutlej Valley? Which of the following lies in Sutlej Valley? Option 1, Nathula. 2, Jipila. 3, Sipkila. 4, Srebranagatha. So, correct answer is option 3, Sipkila. Go to next question. Where Khyber Pass is situated? Where Khyber Pass is situated? Option 1, Bhutan. 2, Bangladesh. 3, India. 4, Pakistan. So correct answer is Pakistan. Khyber Pass is situated at Pakistan. Go to next question. Where Panjshir Valley situated? Option 1, Lebanon. 2, Afghanistan. 3, Jammu Kashmir. 4, Syria. So correct answer is Afghanistan. Option 2 is the correct answer. Go to next question. The pilgrims of Kailash Manasarovar have to pass through which passes to enter into Tibet? Option 1, Khardungla. 2, Rohtang. 3, Lipulik. 4, Nathula. So correct answer is Nathula. Go to next question. Question number 7. Which of the following cities lies to the westernmost longitude? Which of the following cities lies to the westernmost longitude? Option 1, Jaipur. 2, Nagpur. 3, Bhopal. 4, Hyderabad. So correct answer is Jaipur. Option A is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 8. Which one of the following river flows through a rift valley? Which one of the following river flows through a rift valley? Option 1, Godavari. 2, Narmada. 3, Krishna. 4, Mahanadi. So correct answer is Narmada. Option 2 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 9. Duncan Passage is located between. Duncan Passage is located between. Option 1, South and Little Andaman. 2, North and South Andaman. 3, North and Middle Andaman. 4, Andaman and Nicobar. So correct answer is South and Little Andaman. Option 1 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 10. India lies in the dash hemisphere. India lies in the dash hemisphere. Option 1, northern and eastern. 2, southern and eastern. 3, northern and western. 4, northern and southern. So correct answer is northern and eastern. India lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere. Go to next question. Question number 11. Which of the following mountain ranges in India are the oldest? Which of the following mountain ranges in India are oldest? Option 1 Himalayas, 2 Vindhyas, 3 Aravalli, 4 Sahyadri. So correct answer is Aravalli. Aravalli mountain ranges of India are oldest. Go to next question. Question number 12. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? Option 1 Sri Lanka, 2 Myanmar, 3 Indonesia, 4 Pakistan. So correct answer is Myanmar. Go to next question. Question number 13. 82 अध्याय ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड इज जियोग्राफिकली सिग्निफिकेंट टू इंडिया. 82 अध्याय ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड इज जियोग्राफिकली significant to India because option 1 it determines the Indian standard time. 2 it has a bearing on the tropical climate of India. So correct answer is it determines the Indian standard time. Go to next question. Question number 27. Wait, technical problem. So go to question number 20. The standard time of India is option 1 5 घंटा अधे hours ahead of GMT, 2 4 घंटा अधे hours behind the GMT, 3 4 घंटा ahead of GMT, 4 5.5 घंटा hours behind GMT. So correct answer is option 1 5.5 घंटा hours ahead of GMT. Go to next question 21. Go to next question. Question number 21. The Indian subcontinent originally a part of option 1 Jurassic land, 2 Angara land, 3 Aryavarta, 4 Gondwana land. So correct answer is Gondwana land. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Go to next question 22. Naga, Khasi and Garo hills located in Naga, Khasi and Garo hills located in option 1 Purvanchal ranges, 2 Karakoram ranges, 3 Jaskar ranges, 4 Himalaya ranges. So correct answer is Purvanchal ranges. Option 1 is the correct answer. Naga, Khasi, Garo hills. Go to next question. Question number 23. Which one of the following mountain ranges lies in India? Option 1 Arakan-Yoma, 2 Sulanin, 3 Salt Range, 4 Pir Panjal. So correct answer is Pir Panjal. Go to next question. Option number 4. Go to next question. Question number 24. Which one among the following is highest peak? Which one among the following is highest peak? No. Go to next question. Question number 24. Which one among the following is highest peak? Option 1 Kamet, 2 Kunlun, 3 Nanga Parvat, 4 Nanda Devi. So correct answer is Nanda Devi. Go to next question. 25. Nathula, a place where India-China border trade has been resumed after 44 years, is located on Indian border in option 1 Sikkim, 2 Arunachal Pradesh, 3 Himachal Pradesh, 4 Jammu Kashmir. So correct answer is Sikkim. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question 26. The only ape of India found in hill forest of Assam and Nagaland is option 1 orangutan, 2 gibbon, 3 chimpanzee, 4 gorilla. So correct answer is gibbon. Option 2. Go to next question. Question number 27. In terms of area, India is the dash largest country of the world. Option 1, second, 2, fourth, 3, sixth, 4, 7th. So correct answer is 7th. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Go to next question. The approximate length of the coastline of India is option 1 5500 km, 2 6000 km, 3 6500 km, 4 7000 km. So correct answer is 7000 km. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 29. India has a coastline of option 1 5500 km, 2 6500 km, 3 7500 km, 4 8400 km. So correct answer is 7500 km. India ର ଦି coastline ଅଛି. Go to next question. Question number 30. Baltora Glacier is located in option 1 Karakoram Ranges, 2 Pamir Plateau, 3 Siwalik, 4 Fs. So correct answer is Karakoram Ranges. Option A is the one is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 31. Which of the following cities or towns lies to the northernmost latitude? Option 1 Patna, 2 Allahabad, 3 Panchamari, 4 Ahmedabad. So correct answer is Patna. Go to next question. Question number 32. Which of the following will never get the vertical rays of sun? Option 1 Mumbai, 2 Chennai, 3 Thiruvananthapuram, 4 Srinagar. So correct answer is Srinagar. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 33. The Andaman group and Nicobar group of islands are separated from each other by option 1 10-degree channel, 2 Great Channel, 3 Bay of Bengal, 4 Andaman Sea. So correct answer is 10-degree channel. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 34. The southern tip of India is option 1 Cape Comorin, Kanyakumari, 2 Point Kalimere, 3 Indira Point in Nicobar Island, 4 Kovalam in Thiruvananthapuram. So correct answer is option number 3 Indira Point in Nicobar Island. Keep patience. 50टा क्वेश्चन आपण मानक करेबी माने करेबी वेट करंतु. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु. वेट. Go to question number 35. In which state is Maikala Range situated? In which state is Maikala Range situated? Option 1 Uttar Pradesh, 2 Rajasthan, 3 Bihar, 4 Chhattisgarh. So correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Go to next question. Question number 36. The latitude passing through the northernmost part of India is option 1 35° north, 2 36° north, 3 37° north, 4 38° north. So correct answer is 35° north. Go to next question. Question number 37. Nalamala Hills are located in the state of option 1 Orissa, 2 Meghalaya, 3 Andhra Pradesh, 4 Gujarat. So correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option 3. Go to next question. Question number 38. The coastal tract of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is called option 1 Konkan, 2 Coromandel, 3 East Coast, 4 Malvar Coast. So correct answer is Coromandel Coast. Option 2 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 39. The highest Indian waterfall is option 1 Gokak, 2 Gersopa, 3 Shiv Samudram, 4 Yenna. So correct answer is Gersopa. Highest Indian waterfall. Go to next question. Question number 40. Which Indian state has the largest coastline? Which Indian state has largest coastline? Option 1 Andhra Pradesh, 2 Maharashtra, 3 Odisha, 4 Tamil Nadu. So correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has the largest coastline. Go to next question. Question number 41. Indian Standard Time relates to option 1 75.5 east longitude, 2 82.5 east longitude, 3 90.5 degree east longitude, 4 0 degree longitude. So correct answer is 82.5 east longitude. Go to next question. 42. The length of India coastline is about option 1 4900 किलोमीटर, 2 5700 किलोमीटर, 3 7500 किलोमीटर, 4 8300 किलोमीटर. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 7500 किलोमीटर. ऑप्शन नंबर 3. गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 43. Which one of the following is the second highest peak of the world? Which one among the following is the second highest peak of the world? Option 1 Dhaulagiri, 2 Kanchenjunga, 3 K2, 4 Nanda Devi. So correct answer is K2. Option 3 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Where in India can mushroom rock be found? Where in India can mushroom rock be found? Option 1 Eastern Ghat, 2 Western Ghat, 3 Thar Desert, 4 Satpura Range. So correct answer is Thar Desert. Option 3 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 45. Badland topography is characteristic. Option 1 Chambal Valley, 2 coastal area, 3 Sundarban Delta, 4 Gulf of Kutch. So correct answer is Chambal Valley. Badland topography is characteristic of Chambal Valley. Go to next question. Question number 46. Indian desert is called option 1 Gobi, 2 Sahara, 3 Thar, 4 Atacama. So correct answer is Thar. Indian desert is called Thar. Go to next question. Question number 47. Lotak is a option 1 valley, 2 lake, 3 river, 4 mountain range. So correct answer is Lotak is a lake. Option 2 is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 48. Which one of the following state has longest coastline? Question repeat है. Option 1 Maharashtra, 2 Tamil Nadu, 3 Gujarat, 4 Andhra Pradesh. So correct answer is longest coastline. Sorry, repeat है नहीं. Which one of the following state has longest coastline? So correct answer is Gujarat. ता पूर्व क्वेश्चन ने थिला largest coastline. एटा होची longest coastline. Gujarat is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 49. The pass located in Himachal Pradesh is option 1 Sipkila, 2 Jojila, 3 Nathula, 4 Jipila. So correct answer is Sipila. Go to next question. Question number 50. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, lies in the state of option 1 Arunachal Pradesh, 2 Assam, 3 Tripura, 4 Mizoram. So correct answer is Assam. ଏଇ ଥିଲା ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ 50 50ଟା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ प्लीज आमर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु प्रथम शेष पर्यंत देखंतु आमर चैनल फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल आमे आपन को कंटिन्यूअस भाव रे सीटीबीडी रो जो सब क्लास रही सीटीबीडी रो क्लास आपण मान को देई आसुछु एवं टिल आपनकर एग्जाम पर्यंत आमे देई आसुथो एति कहि मु रखुछि आपण 50 रु केतेटा करि पारले ठीक उत्तर केतेटा करि पारले निश्चय लिखि पठाइबे तळे थिबा कमेंट बॉक्स रे प्लीज आमर चैनल टू सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल एति कहि रखुछि आपनका दिनटी शुभ मंगलमय हो जय जगन्नाथ।